Struggling to find filters in OneDrive? Learn exactly where to click to enhance your photos instantly. All right, we have all been there. You have a nice photo sitting in your OneDrive, but it just needs a little something. Maybe a bit more warmth or a different mood. You know a filter would do the trick, but the menu system seems to hide it. I have poked around in OneDrive enough to know exactly where it is hiding, and I am going to show you. It is actually much simpler than you think. I will show you the simple steps. Open your photos, select one, apply a filter, and save it. So the first thing you want to do is get to your photos. Now, OneDrive organizes everything a little differently depending on whether you were on the web or in the app, but the logic is the same. You are looking for the main section that holds your images. In the browser, this is usually the left-hand menu where you see things like My Files and Photos. Click on the Photos option. This filters the view so you are only seeing your image files, not every random document or spreadsheet. It just clears the clutter and gets you right to the good stuff. And here is the thing. If you have a lot of files, this one click saves you a ton of scrolling. Now, let us pick the specific photo you want to work with. Scan through your thumbnails and click on the picture you want to edit. This will open it up in a larger preview. A lot of people stop here. They just look at the big version and think, well, I guess that is it. But it is not. When you open that preview, look at the top of the screen. You will see a toolbar appear. This is where the magic happens. Just give that picture a single click to open it. So now that you have the photo open in preview mode, look for the Edit Image button in that top toolbar. It usually looks like a pencil or a slider icon. Click that. This tells OneDrive, hey, I do not just want to look at this, I want to change it. Once you click that, the whole interface shifts. You are now in the editing suite. And right there, on the left-hand side of the editing panel, you will see a tab that says Filters. Click on that. This is the fun part. OneDrive actually has a pretty solid collection of filters built right in. You're not going to find 50,000 options like you would in a professional app, but the ones here are really well chosen. You have got classics like vivid to pop the colors, black and white for a timeless look, and some that add a nice vintage grain. Now, the key here is to not just pick one blindly. Just click on each filter name to see a live preview of what it looks like on your actual photo. Take your time. The change happens instantly, so you can go through the whole list in about 10 seconds. I usually skip the first one I think I like and try a few others just to be sure. In my experience, the warm filter does wonders for food photos, and mono works great for portraits. Find the one that feels right to you. All right, you have found the perfect look. Now, do not close the window yet. If you just click the X in the corner, you will lose all that work. You have to lock it in. Look for the Save button. It's usually in the top right corner of the editing screen. When you click it, OneDrive will process the change. This might take a moment to process, especially if it is a high-resolution image. Just let it do its thing. After a second, you will see the original preview swap out for your newly filtered version. And the best part? Your original file is safe. OneDrive actually saves this as a separate copy, so you can always go back to the original if you change your mind later. And that is it. You have gone from staring at a flat photo to having a styled image ready to share. Now you know exactly where to click next time you want to give your photos a quick upgrade without leaving your browser. I have used this trick to fix up vacation shots and profile pictures alike, and it never fails to save me time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!